She call me the Glock in the night. She asked me where I am. She said make I turn up.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and y'all, I am back with this super cute unit from WowAfrican. So for those of you guys who have been begging us to do 360 units, sis, we got you. But anyways, y'all, this unit does come from WowAfrican.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit or any of the things that I'm going to be using throughout the video, check the description box down below where everything will be linked and listed for you guys. But like I mentioned, y'all, this unit does come from WowAfrican, and this is their Yaki straight 360 clear lace HD lace front wig. So this unit does have that 360 lace that goes all the way throughout the perimeter of the unit, so you can wear this unit in a high ponytail, as well as these knots are bleached. This is a glueless wig, so you do not have to adhere it down if you choose not to. So it does feature those combs, the elastic band, and the adjustable strap. But y'all, this is how the unit comes directly out of the box. This is a ready to wear unit, so you don't have to do any customizing. You don't even have to wash the wig. You guys are gonna see I don't even have to flat iron the unit. It came perfect out of the box, and it does have their 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you guys can do a center part, a side part, or no part if you choose not to. And again, it does have the lace that extends to the back. What I'm going to do here is just lay the unit, just the top of it, because this unit did not need any flat ironing. I didn't have to wash it. I'm just going to take my Wow spray and spray it throughout the unit and use a paddle brush, and y'all can see it looks perfect now. If you're going to invest in a unit, definitely choose WowAfrican. I promise you, you're going to love it. But anyways, now I'm just going to lay the top of the unit so that later on when I put the unit on, I don't have to do any of this later. And I'm also going to show you guys how I do my glueless 360 application. So stay tuned for that.
I got you what you want, but you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting, you fill me up, but now I'm just helping out. But I don't want you around for me.
First things first, you're going to want to put the hair up in a high ponytail. I'm using a hairbrush because I want the hair to be nice and smooth. If you prefer baby hairs, go ahead and separate that from the rest of the hair and just tie it up as tight as you can possibly get it. And this is what we're working with. Now, you can use your wax stick or the got2b hairspray. I personally prefer to use the foaming wrap mousse, and I just apply it to that area and then use my hot comb to redirect the hair going up. This is kind of going to create like a cast, sort of say. So if you're someone who doesn't want to glue the unit down, this will actually make it much easier for you, especially for those of you guys who have sensitive skin like myself. My skin back there will break out in hives if any product sits on it for too long, so I do like this method. Now what I'm going to do is just curl those baby hairs. You can keep yours going straight, you can tweeze yours away, or you can actually make it go up so that you don't have baby hairs at all. But for me, I just wanted to kind of play around with this so you guys can see an option in case you do need ideas. And this is what we're working with. You guys can see how the hair is directed upward, making it easy for you to wear the hair in a high ponytail, as well as you can wear the hair down and you're not going to get that weird hump. As you guys can see, the front of the unit is laid in the back, so that is ready to wear. What I'm going to do here now is just cut off that lace in the front and the back of the unit.
So much to be your boyfriend. And you ain't making this much easier. And I used to be your best friend. See me glowing up. Don't act like I'm average.
So I'm just going to go ahead and get this unit on. One thing that I will say about the fit of this unit is that I felt like it was a bit on the smaller end because I did have to keep adjusting it to kind of make sure that it stayed forward and it would kind of slip backwards a bit. So I will say if you do have a bigger head, I would opt for a larger size. But now what I'm going to do is just get that makeup off my forehead using my Bedhead Hardhead mini hairspray. I like to apply that directly onto my forehead and blow dry it down. I do this like maybe 2 or 3 times just so that the unit can adhere properly, because I don't use glues or anything of that nature. And once it feels nice and tacky, you just want to apply the unit on top of that, and it should literally stick like glue. And if there's any pieces that didn't adhere properly, just go right back over it with that same spray and just blow dry that down. And also use your melting band just so that you can get a excellent, perfect melt down. I promise you, this is the key. And then during this time, just play around with the hair, walk around, fix your makeup, do what you have to do. But yeah, just come back within like 20 minutes.
She say make I turn up tonight. She say that she like my vibe. She like the way I pull up on her. She say that she like my song. She say make I sing for her. She say that she like me go. This girl is a party monster. Party monster. Look at her, she running like a party monster. Look at her, she bouncing like a party monster. Look at everyone like a party monster. Party monster. Look at her, she shaking like a party monster. Look at her, she bouncing like a party monster. Look at her, she running like a party monster. Mr. DJ put the replay. Sassy boy, sit down the shy, oh. Sassy girl, she just a wine, oh. Me, I say, me at the practice.
So now that the lace is giving skin, I'm going to attempt to fix my parting space because it was looking real wonky. I just applied a bit of concealer and now it's looking decent. But can we please admire this lace? I mean, it's giving skin. I mean, kudos to WowAfrican for that because it is super clear. But what we're going to do right here is focus on the 360. All right, this is our money maker. If you don't know what a 360 is, it just pretty much means that the lace goes 360 degrees around. So you have the lace on the front, the sides, and the back, giving you the ability to wear it up in a high ponytail. You can do some really cute updos with this. And if you do the glueless application like me, you don't have to even worry about doing any work. It's going to look natural as soon as you put it on. Now please ignore that hump in the back. That's actually not my hair. That's actually the wig because the density is quite full with this one. I feel like this unit is a winner chicken dinner. I feel like it is so cute and the lace looks so natural. Here are the angles of the unit. Again, this unit is in their Yaki texture. It is 20 inches long and I think the density is either 150 or 180. However, it feels really good. Y'all let me know what you guys think about their lace. It is super clear. I love their pre-plucked hairline, making it easy for you to get a real natural install without even having to put any work in it. Y'all make sure you guys do check out WowAfrican, where this unit is going to be available for you guys. And y'all, I'm loving this 360 lace wig. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this one. Is it a yay or a nay? Leave your comments down below and I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.
Party man, look at her, she running like a party man. Look at her, she bouncing like a party man. Look at everyone like a party man.